Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add layers in draw.io. Layers help organize diagram elements, making complex designs easier to manage and edit. First, open draw.io and load the diagram where you want to add layers. By default, the Layers panel is hidden, so we need to enable it first. Go to the top menu, click on View, then select Layers or press Ctrl, Shift, and L to open it directly. As you can see, a small Layers window has appeared. Click on the plus icon to create a new layer, and you can rename it. After renaming, you can drag layers to rearrange their order. Let's say I want to add this as a layer. Just drag it and you will see the layer has been added. You can also hide or unhide a layer by clicking the eye icon next to its name. And that sets it. We just learned how to enable the Layers panel, create new layers, rename them, and control their visibility in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.